Yeah, the race was very competitive, but I managed to fight. It was hard. I managed to keep on with them at the end.
Yo en Canadá, que time so, isso foi mesmo isso. Está virando por ter uma batida. Every 3 years, I kitchen to so when I was in a kitchen, maybe the Susan finish. I am given a cheap about the win. They can win the next day. It wasn't funny, so you wouldn't cost it.
Sete Mari.